Hello everyone, it's Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead, and today we are going to be replacing some siding on the shed. So, let's get to it. We're up here in the lift, and the first thing we're doing is taking off these old boards. And so that one there is just a singular board. Most of the other ones here are plywood. We have one more piece to take down here. Those two fell down on their own, so we're just taking the rest of them off, and then we'll put the new ones up. We just got this stack of boards put up for the first 8-10 feet or so here. We got the first row of boards up, and we have a few boards left, but we're gonna have to take this next sheet down, and then we'll cut a few more boards to put up here. See then, here's our progress so far. We have a good section of it done, and then now we're cutting more boards over here. We got another piece of plywood removed off of the top, and then we cut some more boards and attached them up there and put another set of boards on up there. And now we're going to take some more boards, cut them in half, and attach those as well. We have the Milwaukee framing nailer to nail up the boards to the wall. Got it? We made it all the way over here to the end with all the boards, and now we ran into some trouble over here at the end. We had to remove some boards behind the metal siding on the corner, so we're able to fit the boards in that we have. So we have a few more, and then we'll be done. We have now finished, and we have all of the boards installed on the shed. Got the end figured out, and now we're ready to paint it. So we got some white paint over here that we're mixing up, and then we'll get started painting.